Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a senior engineer here at Dell, and today we'll be covering the installation of OpenManage Server Administrator on Windows. You can obtain the download at support.dell.com using your service tag and selecting your current version of Windows. Let's get started. Okay, and you can leave the default path and unzip the file. Alright, once that's complete, you'll browse to that path, see OpenManage. You'll select Windows and select Setup. Top section, if there's any dependencies needed, it'll say install dependencies, and there's none in this scenario, so we'll select install server administrator. And browse through the wizard, select the default. Alright, once completed, click Finish. In versions 9.1 and above, one of the services are set to disabled by default after installation. So we'll need to go here and enable that service. This DSM SA shared service is now disabled. Go to Properties, change it to Automatic, apply it, and start it. Click OK and close services, and we can now launch OpenManage Server Administrator. And you're logging in as the current user, so it's administrator in my case. Alright, that wraps up the installation of OpenManage Server Administrator on Windows. Thanks for watching.